Traffic rules test. Is the driver of the white car allowed to turn left in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Yes. 2. Yes, provided that the truck is given priority. 3. No. Task analysis. On this section of the road, the driver of the red car intends to turn left. There are road markings at the exit. This is a traffic island that separates traffic flows in opposite directions. Such islands should be passed on the right side, but turning left in the situation shown is not prohibited. There is an end of residential area road sign at the exit. This means that the driver of the red car is leaving this area. Let's read the traffic rule. When exiting a residential and pedestrian area, drivers must give way to other road users. Therefore, the driver of the red car must give way to the truck before turning left. Correct answer number 2. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and share this video with your friends.